The F-35 Lightning II is not just a fighter jet, it's a battlefield network node. Developed by the United States as a fifth-generation stealth multi-role aircraft, it integrates advanced sensors, low observability, and real-time data sharing. It comes in three variants: F-35A for Air Force use, F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, and F-35C for aircraft carriers. With the ANPG-81 AESA radar, distributed aperture system, and sensor fusion, the F-35 can detect and strike targets before being seen. Its internal weapon bays preserve stealth, while external hardpoints allow for high payload missions when stealth is less critical. F-35s are already deployed by NATO allies, Israel, Japan, and other partners, forming the largest stealth fleet in the world. Fast, connected, invisible. This is Tech Bastion. Follow us to explore the next generation of air dominance.